Welcome back to Make This House a Home Mondays. I'm Amina. I'm so excited that you are here. If you're watching on YouTube or IGTV, please make sure that you subscribe and follow, and thank you so much. I appreciate it. So we're not in the backyard today because it's hot as I don't know what, and I'm saving up some money for some of the things that I want to do in the backyard. I hope you guys can relate and or understand, but we will be back in the backyard, so don't you worry. So today, if you hear the echo, it's because we're in my basement. So I moved into my home about 5 months ago, and I threw everything in my basement. Literally have threw everything in my basement. It's quite embarrassing. But not today. We start this new journey in getting this basement together. So brace yourself, because it's a lot. I know, a hot mess. Whoo child, but I'm gonna get it together. Hopefully I can inspire you to get your basement together. If you are watching, comment down below when you get your basement, or if you already have a basement, because you know we're manifesting houses. When you get your basement or the basement that you already have, comment down below and tell me what you have in your basement. Do you have a movie theater? Is it the kids' playroom? Is it storage? Is it an office? Tell me down in the comments. I would love to talk with you guys, and I appreciate you so much. If you are new here, please know that I do things in chunks. I do not do everything all in one time. I do this so one, you can follow along with me and share with me your progress. 2, so I don't get overwhelmed, and 3, I just like it that way. So today we are going to clean, organize, and put an outline of what the office is going to look like. So that's what we're going to do, and then we'll come back at another Make This House a Home Monday, and we will style it. So stay tuned for a great video. Now let's speed it up. Okay guys, so we are in the midst of cleaning. I had to take a break and do some chit-chatting with my friends real quick, so I didn't want to be talking and working, so I stopped. But basically, all in all, these are my plant things inside this bucket. And so right here, I want to put a shelving unit. That's me. Hey, I want to put like a shelving unit here, and right here will be a shelving unit, and that's where my gardening things are going to be, my knickknacks for my DIY projects. As you guys see, I have these 2 little cabinets. You saw that it said free, so I got them. I can't put anything inside of them because they're dirty and they need to be cleaned, and that is a project in its own. So I need to clean it, sand it, paint it, and once I clean, sand, and paint it, then I can put these things inside there. But I still have this stuff in the middle of the floor, so what I'm gonna do now is put things in the areas that I want it to be in. So basically it's gonna help me figure out what I need. So like I know I need a shelving unit here, and I know I want like a couch or like a little chase area here, and then also on top of the cabinets I want like a little shelving unit right there. So this is just helping me figure out, well, I already knew that, but now I need to do measurements so I can go to like IKEA and or get some stuff for Free Fridays. If you haven't checked out my other videos, then definitely, if not this Friday, maybe next Friday, I will have a Free Friday segment, because I get a lot of things for free and I want to share my tips and tricks on how I get it for free, and I want to bring you guys along with me on my journeys of getting these things for free. So now that I said that, make sure you are subscribed and or following me on Instagram so you can see when I'm getting these. Well, on Instagram you'll see it probably like as it's happening, and or if you miss it in my IG stories, it'll be on my IGTV. And if you are on YouTube, you'll see it on Fridays, because Fridays are Free Fridays. And yeah, but if you want to see it in real time, you should definitely follow me on IG at Faith Amina TV. So let me just tell you what I got for free. I got those 2 cabinets for free. This chair, this office chair that I have for free. This desk that you see, this beautiful desk, even though it's like junky and crowded right now, for free. And then there's some other things in here that I got for free. So if you're not following me on IG and you like free things, or you like to see when people get free things, or you want some tips and tricks on how to get free things, definitely subscribe so you can see it on Friday, and follow me on Instagram so you can see it happening in real life, because those are just some of the free things that I have down here in the office. But I also have like a couple of other free things. Oh, I almost forgot about this. This beautiful chandelier that you see right here, it was free. Free 99, baby. So yeah, I don't want to say that I'm the queen of free, but I get a lot of things for free. I have gotten at least 5 plants, because I'm a plant mom. 5 plants for free. We know plants can be expensive, so you better follow me and figure out my tips and tricks. Just, you know, a little shameless plug. But back to organizing, because this cannot stay like this. I need to have a walkway. I need to have a walk room. This needs to get cleaned up, and things need to at least be put in the areas that I want it to go in. Like all the gardening things need to be put up against this wall, so when I get the shelving unit, it'll be easier. So yeah, back to regular schedule cleaning.
Thank you so much for watching towards the end. This was just an organizing and cleaning segment. Next video will probably be a DIY on those cabinets that I told you guys. Once we get those out the way, we can get everything else collected so we can really make this office like how I want. So the next couple of pictures you see are just some inspirations of how I would kind of want my office to look. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much. I love you from the bottom to the top. Until next time, enjoy, have a beautiful day, and I hope you're doing well on this journey we call life.